Good morning dear students. Today in this video we are going to cover some more advanced topic of MS Word, that how to do all those formatting in mobile application. Okay, like indentation, column formatting, alignment, size, page layout, margins, etc. We are all going to see these topics in mobile application. So first topic which I am going to show you is about indentation. लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने जो कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करने पे मैंने आप लोग को एक भेजा था, उसमें मैंने इंडेंटेशन बताया था कि कैसे अप्लाई किया जाता है, बट मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन में मैं आज बता रही हूँ. सो लेट्स क्लिक ऑन दिस एडिट बटन, click on this arrow, go to in the home tab, click on paragraph formatting. As you can see, there is an option given special indent. Click on that. Let's choose this first line option. हम लोग जिस लाइन पे हम लोगों को इंडेंटेशन अप्लाई करना है, फर्स्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट लाइन, then choose first line indentation. As you can see the effect of indentation now. So by this way we apply indentation in our document in mobile app. There are also options of line spacing given, like click on line spacing and choose a option which you want, which choose the option the amount of space you want between each line. As I am clicking on different options, as you can see the space between these two lines are changing. Let's see again, like this way. So this is your indentation topic. Now let's see how to change alignment. These are the options of alignment. This is left alignment, this is center alignment, right alignment and justify alignment. Let's select our whole document and click on center alignment. As you can see, the alignment of the whole document is changed now. Next topic which was given in our book was column. How to insert column in your document. For that, go to layout tab, click on columns and choose the option which you want. Let's choose 2 equal width. As you can see, your whole document is now divided in 2 columns. So your whole document is now in 2 columns. Let's again choose one column option to make our document look like before. Columns, click on one full width. Okay. So by this way, from layout tab you can change the column options of your document. Let's apply center alignment in this heading. Okay. Now further, next topic is find and replace. Again, as I told you, find and replace option is used to replace or find any word in your document. So click on this arrow, go to find. Let's find the word India in the document. INDIA. अब आप देख सकते हैं जहाँ जहाँ इंडिया लिखा हुआ है उसके ऊपर येलो कलर से हाईलाइट हो गया है. If you want to replace this word India with any other word, like suppose we want to replace India with Bharat, so click on this setting, click on replace and enter the new word. Let's enter Bharat, BHARAT. Click on replace all. Now you can see जहाँ जहाँ इंडिया लिखा था वहाँ पे भारत शो होने लगा है. Let's undo our changes and move on to the next topic. Click on undo. Click on cross button to close the find and replace option. Now our next topic is changing the page layout and margin. For that, click on the small arrow again. Go to the layout tab. Click on page. Click on margins. As you can see, you already know that margins are the space between the text and the border of your page. तो यहाँ से हम लोग डिफरेंट मार्जिन्स चूज़ कर सकते हैं. लाइक लेट्स चूज़ नैरो मार्जिन. अब आप देख रहे होंगे जो मार्जिन है इसमें कम हो गया है. वी कैन चूज़ वाइड मार्जिन ऑल्सो लाइक दिस. Moderate, and you can choose custom from custom margin. You can give margins according to your choice. You can assign value according to your choice. Okay, like this. So these are the options of margins. Next is if you want to change the orientation of the page. This is the option for orientation. Like there are two types of orientation, portrait and landscape. In portrait, the page is in vertical format and the height of the page is more than the width. But in landscape, it is totally opposite. The height of the page is less than the width. We can change the landscape orientation from this option. Okay. After that, next topic is size. As I told you, different types of sizes of a page like letter, legal, A4. Mostly we use A4 size page for printing. That's why always create your document choosing the size A4. Okay. One last thing I want to tell you that how to see the print preview of your document. Print preview means कि प्रिंट होने के बाद आपका डॉक्यूमेंट कैसे शो होगा पेपर पे. फॉर दैट क्लिक ऑन दिस एरो, गो टू व्यू टैब एंड क्लिक ऑन प्रिंट लेआउट. सो ये जो है इसी फॉर्मेट पे देखिए, जब आप इसको जूम आउट करेंगे तो ये एक पूरा पेज शो होगा. इसी तरह आपका डॉक्यूमेंट पेपर पे भी शो होगा. आप इसमें और भी क्रिएटिविटी कर सकते हैं अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में, लाइक पेज बॉर्डर, पेज कलर, एनीथिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइस. लाइक फ्रॉम इंसर्ट, we can insert page number in our document. We can insert different types of shapes. तो आपको जो भी आप क्रिएटिविटी करना चाहते हो वो अपने डॉक्यूमेंट पे आप करके मुझे भेज सकते हैं. So these are the topics which was not covered in the previous video, and these all topics are given in your book. I also made a separate video on how to do all these things in your computer using MS Word software. So students, see this video very carefully. I hope you must have understand all the topics. Do all the practicals in your laptop or mobile and send your practical work for sure, because you will be getting marks on that, and all the marks will be added in your half yearly examination. So take it very seriously, complete your work and send it to me. If you have any doubt, you can send a voice message or a text message to your class teacher and you can ask me any question. कोई भी डाउट है तो प्लीज़ मुझसे पूछिए, एंड प्लीज़ सारे होमवर्क्स को सीरियसली लीजिए. ओके. सो students, take care. We will meet in the next class. Okay, bye bye.